show you how to install latest version Jenkins and setup. But remember that I have an earlier video that showing how to install the Jenkins version, but Jenkins become a change little bit. There is no Jenkins or file for latest version Jenkins, but how we can do that? So for that we will be use Homebrew. The Homebrew will be help us to do install the latest version of Jenkins, and it is easy. So if you don't have Homebrew, so what Homebrew does, Homebrew is basically they make life easier. So they, if you want to install something, it will make easily. They will be installed for you. Just simple command. So let's go now. Let's download the Homebrew. So let's, you have this. I have this. Okay. So now I have to download the Homebrew. For download the Homebrew, I have this is simple command. This command you will be get the my YouTube video description section, so you can copy from there. So if you don't have Homebrew, just use this command, enter it. I have a Homebrew, but I'm again reinstalling. Let's see what happens. It will be take few seconds for me because I already have. But if you don't have Homebrew, it will take some time. Be patient, okay, and follow the command, okay. And it's required in a Homebrew requires the command line Xcode. It will be automatically, they will the Homebrew will automatically does for you. Just follow the command whatever they say. If they say enter, the press the enter. So now my Homebrew is done. Okay, so cool. So what is the next? Now I have to make sure I have my old Jenkins have in my computer or not. If you have it, please stop the Jenkins. Please stop Jenkins. You can use the Control C to get out from there, and after that you use a simple code, delete Jenkins. This code will be in the description section in the YouTube. Okay, so I'm going to use that, delete this. So this will be deleted. It might be ask you password because I'm using sudo, so use your computer password if they ask. So now I know my Jenkins was deleted, but how do I make sure? So if you go here, if you are eligible, Jenkins have like localhost. Localhost, I have a localhost 800 or 8080, both was. So I can check. There is no Jenkins. If you go 8080, there is no Jenkins. So good, my Jenkins is deleted. Cool. So what is the next? Now install the Jenkins. Install Jenkins. Very simple group, very simple code, very simple command for the do that. So what you're gonna do? I'm gonna say brew install Jenkins. This command, okay? Brew install Jenkins. Enter. It will be install a Jenkins. Okay. Okay. So now is already installed my Jenkins. So now let's comment. What is the next command? Next command is how to start the Jenkins. So brew service start Jenkins. Before that, you need to know which your administration key. But okay, let's go back and take a look. So brew service start Jenkins. We will be start the Jenkins. Okay. So my Jenkins start done and Jenkins also started done. Boom. No problem with that, guys. So now go to the browser and I say localhost 8080. Is getting ready. Okay. So now they're asking unlock Jenkins. You need to provide the access key. My earlier video, previous video was showing when you install Jenkins, they already provided. Over here, they did not provide. So what you have to do, there is a command for that. You can follow this command. So it will be give you the key. So sudo this command will be provide the key. So now, where are you going to find the command, guys? This command you will find in the my video description section. Follow that. Okay, so I'm going to comment with that and enter. It will be written my access key. So I'm going to copy this one and go to the video over here and I say continue. Boom, my Jenkins will be now Jenkins already up. So now is installing suggest plugin and all the plugin will be Done. Some plugin might be failed, but don't worry. We will be some plugin which is essential plugin which we need. It will be downloaded properly, I believe. It takes some time, so be patient and remember that. So Jenkins is up. It's very simple. The Homebrew, only simple command Homebrew install Jenkins. It will be quick, like few seconds. It will be done. Second, you said that Homebrew service start, so it will be service started. Okay. So now then you go to localhost and provide. If you need to key access key, if you don't have, go and follow this command. Go and follow this command. It will be an access key, and this access key will be provided. This is for Mac OS, guys. Okay. So similar command could be used for your Windows. So I have Mac OS. I'm showing the Mac OS. If you have problem with Windows, please feel free to uh, uh, ping to my comment section. So I will be there to help you guys. So Jenkins is almost done. It's getting easy because we're using Homebrew. Okay, so try to use the Homebrew. And this is a very good tool to use actually to manage your backend files and do all those things. There's a failing for pipeline, Git. We will be install this later. There's no problem. Because we don't need pipeline right now. Okay, do you want to retry again for these things whatever failing? Let's do it one more time. Let's see. You know what, you guys can try it. I don't want to do that because I know it right now this thing. Okay, so now go here, continue, and now create a my username password. Create your username password. Okay, whatever you want. Okay. Cool. Do you want to change your local host? Yeah, this URL. If you want, you can customize. But I don't want, guys. Okay. If you want, you can provide your name, whatever you want. You can provide your name, whatever you want. Okay. So it just keep the HTTPS, HTTP and slash. It will be work and whatever you want to provide here. Okay. So Jenkins is ready. Start your Jenkins. Boom. My Jenkins is ready. So newer version Jenkins is ready. If you have any problem with anything else, you can always configure it. But now you know that latest version of Jenkins, how does it work. Let's do it one thing, guys, for you. I want to make sure that configure tool, the new version of they're showing there, but those problems we have, you can always correct and do it, but I don't know right now. So you can go the available and install like Git or something if you want over here available. We have a problem was Git, am I right? Git, search for Git. Git. So you can see all the what is the option, Git plugin or Blue Ocean. If you want pipeline for Blue Ocean, you can install those things if you want. I don't know right now, guys. Okay, it's gonna waste my time. So what you need is Jenkins, and go to the global tools, global tool configuration. I'm to show you to guys JDK. You can set up JDK if you want. So I have 1.8 to provide the 1.8. Okay, the Java 8. Okay, and then I agree, but if you want that, you need to put your username password. Okay, but I don't care about this thing right now. JDK, you provide the follow username password for Oracle, then you can download. Otherwise you can not download. So I'm gonna delete JDK from here. I don't want right now. I'm gonna add later. So Maven, add Maven. So remember that, put the Maven name as a Maven, whatever you want. Maven, capital letter Maven. Then here install automatically and use the your version. Go to the command line. Go to the command line here. If you want to use Maven version, so you say mbn and then slash, not dash version. So my Maven version is 354. So if my 354, please use the 354. If you have something else, provide it. Why? Remember that this Jenkins also local Jenkins, and this Maven also in my local machine, so it has to be same. Okay, I say apply and save. So now my Jenkins is ready for that. If you want to correct all this, you got to go copy this thing fast, Gradle pipeline plugin, and you can always install. Let's, before finish the video, I can show you to how. Go to the available and click the available. Okay, little bit, and then search here. Git plugin, I'm searching here. Oh, Gradle plugin. So this is the Gradle. Okay, so this is the Gradle. You have to, sorry, Gradle plugin. So you have to Gradle. That's it. And do you choose Artifactory pipeline? You can choose if you want. You can choose all the option if you want. And download now. Install after restart. Okay, so you just copy this. Okay, so it will be download done, and then after done is a restart copying. So I'm not going to wait until that. I'm going to close my video and try to stop this part, and you guys can follow that if you have any problem. My this video is regarding about how to download, regarding new what is called new uh, Jenkins, latest version Jenkins. People was having problem for that reason. So almost done. Let's see guys, almost done. Then I'm gonna close the video. Before that, let's finish that. Okay, you can click here. So when it's done, it will be automatically restart your Jenkins. So that's it for guys, and see you soon. And feel free to comment in the comment section. All the command you will find out in the description section. And see you soon.